Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a 12V battery in a Toyota Prius. First, gather your tools. You'll need a 10mm wrench, a 12mm wrench, and a battery terminal cleaner. Make sure you have a new 12-volt auxiliary AGM battery ready. This battery is crucial for your car's electronics. You'll find the 12-volt battery located in the rear passenger side of your Prius's trunk area, under the floor panels. To begin, open your trunk and remove the floor panels, including any storage bins, to expose the battery compartment. Next, locate the negative battery terminal. Using your 10mm wrench, loosen the bolt and carefully remove the negative cable, ensuring it doesn't touch any metal. Then, remove the positive terminal cover, loosen its 10mm bolt, and disconnect the positive cable. Finally, remove the 12mm bolt, securing the battery hold-down bracket. With the terminals and bracket removed, carefully lift out the old battery. It might be heavier than expected. Take a moment to clean any corrosion or debris from the battery tray before proceeding. Now, gently lower your new 12-volt AGM battery into the compartment, ensuring the positive terminal faces the front of the car. Reinstall the hold-down bracket, securing it with the 12mm bolt. Torque this bolt to 11 foot-pounds for proper tightness. Now, connect the positive battery terminal first, tightening the 10mm bolt until it's snug. Then, attach the negative terminal, securing its 10mm bolt. Both terminal bolts should be tightened to 50 inch-pounds. Reinstall all covers and panels. After replacement, you may need to initialize some systems, like manually closing the power hatch or driving straight for 5 seconds above 22 miles per hour for steering sensor calibration. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to that book and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.